This is a room tour of room 2056, which is a Deluxe King in the Sun Tower at Mohegan Sun in Connecticut. Now there are two towers in Mohegan Sun, the Sun Tower and the Earth Tower. The Sun is the better of the two, apparently. I was initially booked in to an Earth Tower, which is a couple $100, paying for it outright, because I'm never visited here before, so I wasn't a member of the Players Club or anything. So I paid the full, I'm only here for one night, so I paid it all up front. So that's the sink area, and the toilet's in here. And you've got your hanging space there, and your safe. Inside you've got your telly. You've got a mini bar here. You get a couple of bottles of water free, and they also give you a couple of on reception if you ask. And then a fridge for your own stuff. And your bed here. It's a fairly standard room, but very, very clean. But the casino is off the scale good. I mean, if you look at my regular vlog, you'll see my thoughts on that. I mean, I've never seen anything quite like it. But just in terms of the accommodation, this is why you'd want to stay in this particular room. I mean, just an absolutely gorgeous scenic view. I really didn't expect this. We just travelled up from Atlantic City, and we travelled through Connecticut, and there's some wonderful houses and stuff. I absolutely loved it, and it was sort of how I imagined Connecticut. And then you get to this place, and just look at that. I mean, it's just stunning, absolutely stunning. You just gaze at it all day, really. So as I said, it was a couple of $100. I mean, I'm sure there was probably a resort fee on top of that. But I'm really going to enjoy playing the slots here. I really am. Just the best. I mean, you know, there's Earth Tower rooms and Sun Tower rooms, and there's an Earth Tower casino and a Sun Tower casino. Just incredible. So tune into my regular vlog for footage of how I get on there. But very, very happy to be here, and we're going to have one hell of a night. Take care.